Okay, here we are at the city here in St. Louis Park. The total length of the sewer is 55 feet 6 inches, and we will do the inspection now. So this is 6-inch clay tile pipe. From what I can tell, the pipe is in good shape. There are several joints with roots in them, but they aren't causing a blockage. The front clean out is located behind an access panel. It's relatively hard to access it. I think if one were to clean this sewer, they would need to remove the access panel and then possibly make a bigger one. It would probably just be good to have it a little bit more accessible. Say probably a 9x9 square, and it's about 3 feet above where the sewer cleanout is, making it a little hard to get the cap off. So there is that. But I was able to get it off using a number of tools and pure gumption and will. So this section of the pipe looks really good. No noticeable cracking, no offsets, no bellies. Hardly any roots. Until we get to this part. There's some roots. It's not causing a blockage. I believe it was said that there was a backup 3 years ago. And so that was the main reason for getting the inspection. I don't believe there's any cracks in that section of the clay tile pipe. This is probably the worst of the roots right there, here at 27 feet 3 inches. It's in that section, slightly offset, but it should be maintained sooner than later to prevent a backup. So here's the one section. It's just low through this section a little bit here. So that looks like it's about so probably we'll just say it starts at this joint, 27 feet. It goes back 26, 25, 24. So it's about a 2-foot section, 2.5, 3 feet. And that happens. Pipe settle. Doesn't look to be like there's any noticeable damage through there, that one spot, so I'd say that it's not too bad. Okay. So there's the 4x6 here at 23.5 feet. That's where it leaves the house. It's 4-inch cast iron, and it transitions into 6-inch clay. Here's the cast iron. Doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty good. The joint's a little wonky, but doesn't appear to be any damage. It's a little offset. And then here it transitions to PVC. So it's new pipe. Through here. Should say newish pipe. Relatively new pipe. And that's just outside of the house there. And then back to cast iron right under the foundation wall here. When it comes back into the house, and there's the cleanup.